What's up everyone? So welcome to another video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make a simple apple catcher game. So before we do anything, let's just title our game Apple Catcher. Alright, so now just delete this cat because and then go to your choose a sprite, and obviously you're gonna pick an apple, and then go to choose for another sprite and type in bowl, and then you're gonna get this, and this is like all of we're gonna using. And now you can choose a backdrop. I'll be using blue sky because it fits with the game. So let me just put the size for this. I'll say 150, and then the apple size I'll change it to maybe 80. Alright, so you just put your bowl like wherever you in like the middle, best for you on the ground. And then go to your events, grab a one green flag clicked, go to your motion, and grab the go to X and Y. So you don't need to really type anything in that because it's automatically gonna put your X and Y position. So make sure this is on like the starting position. Alright, now you want it to like move left and right with your arrow. So I'll be doing left and right with the mouse pointer instead because the arrows we've been using it a lot, and in this game I guess we can learn like a new way to use the arrow. So you're gonna see this motion block. It's gonna be set X2, and then go to your sensings and grab a mouse X and put the mouse set to in this set X2 mouse X in a forever loop. So now you can see that the bowl is moving like this, and that is perfect. So we've got the bowl functioning. Now let's get the apple. So we want the apple to go up like here and then fall down, right? So you're gonna go to your events, when green flag clicked. You're gonna do grab and go to X and then Y. So get an operators, pick random in the X, and you write in there negative 240 to 240, and you can put this in about 170. Alright, so you got that. Now you can see that it's going to random positions. So now you want it to fall, right? So grab a forever loop, go to your motions, and do change Y by -8, and that'll make it fall, right? But you also want it to go back up as soon as it touches the ground. So you're gonna go to your controls and grab an if then statement, go to your sensing, grab a touching color, and then you're gonna see this icon right here. Press that and you can select the brown color. And after you've done that, just duplicate this so you can get this go to thing. And basically now it'll just go to the ground and it'll spawn back up. So you've got that working. Now you also want to like make it touch the bowl and then go back up, and also you want to make it to give a score. So before we do that, just make a variable. It'll be called score. And now just duplicate this if statement, and don't put an if statement inside an if statement or it won't work. So just get this out, go to your sensings and grab if touching the bowl, and then it will go over here, but it'll also change the score by 1 and set my score to, actually I'll do this to like 5. So now if you do this, as you can see, it's changing the score by 5. So we've got that working. Now you also want it to like so before we do that, anything, I'll make like a bomb sprite, so it'll also be something where you can also lose the game. So just make like a circle and get this line here, and I'll just do this Really simple and easy. And let me make this a bit wider. Yeah, like that. Get your lines. And let me just do this real quick. Change it. And then, alright. Alright, so that's your bomb. Actually, I'll undo that and make it a bit wider. Do like 13 and then make it a brighter yellow. So yeah, that's nice. And then you can do that and that. So now you've got your bomb, and just name it bomb so it'll be easier to it'll be easier later on. And just change the size to like a 70, a bit bigger than the apple. And now you're gonna code this. So you don't want the bomb to like spawn in that early to the game. So you're gonna go to your one green flag clicked, and you're gonna do hide and wait 3 seconds. Then motion, go to, and then operators, pick a random. So just do whatever we did for the Apple code, and then set this to 170. And then you're gonna do a forever loop and change the Y. So you're gonna want to change the Y a bit faster than the Apple. So do like 9. Just let me just check the Y for the so we can do 9. And we also want it to if it's touching the ground, then like we want it to go back up, right? So just go to sensing, grab this color thing, click the icon here, and then you can do that. So you've got that. So now what we want to do is like if it's touching the bowl, then you're gonna want to you're just gonna want it to hide, and make sure you put a show right here or else it won't work. So you want it to hide and just like stop everything. And before we do more code in that, make a game over screen message and a you win message. So let me make the game over message. Alright, so that's my game over message. Alright, so got that. Now make another message, and it'll be like you won or you win. Let me select the arrow right here. And yeah, so you got that there. And obviously you're gonna want these to hide or else it's not gonna look good, right? So just make sure you do the hide for both of these. And hide. Go to your game over. And before we do that, go to your this and go to your events, and you're gonna do broadcast a message, and this will be the game over message. Alright, so this will be the game over message, and now you're gonna do when I receive that game over message, you're gonna want it to show. So that's about it. And now you also want it to win. So how are we gonna do that? So let's set like a score that you need to get if you want to win. So I'll do if you reach 50, then you win. So just go to your bowl code and grab an if statement and do if and go to your operators and do if blank is equal to 50, and go to your variables and put a score there. Then you're gonna broadcast a new message, and it'll be called you win. So there you go there. And just when I receive the you win message, do show, and you're gonna do stop all. So you don't actually need to put a stop all here. You can put it in the game over sprite. Doesn't matter. So let's just test the game to see if we have any errors. So yep, and there's definitely an error that the bomb is moving very slow. So I actually accidentally put a point in there, and I'll change the size of this to like 50. Alright, so now you can see that the bomb is going to be moving a bit faster. Yeah, there we go. So now I can say our game is working. So let me just see if our scores are working. So if I win, let's see if it's going to broadcast the message. Yay, it does. Now let's see if it does it for the game over. And boom, we got the game working, guys. So hope you find this tutorial helpful, and leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.